Hello fan collectors, this is a Hunter Villa series from February of 1997. It's polished brass and it has blades reversible from oak to walnut. Oak is exposed. Close up of the blades. Other side is walnut. There's the top of the motor. I love the shape of the vents of this fan. I do, and it's a very 90s-ish Hunter. We got a shot of the blade arms. Came standard with a spotlight kit. 2 lights. Other side, all. That's the way it is on these Hunter light kits. And now I'm going to turn the fan on. First on low. Okay. Fan is running on low. Medium. Goes pretty fast for medium. And now we'll turn it on high. Well, it really goes fast, doesn't it? Notice it's the bag's moving. It's that's evidence that it really cranks out a lot of air. And when I had the Moss WF, the antique brass 52-inch Moss WF, as some of you may have seen in the background on some of my fan videos, that thing really didn't move as much air as this, because if you notice, like I said before, the that plastic bag is being blown around. That fan did not go very fast on high, unlike the one you see here. And now I will power said fan down. It's got a long spin down time to it. I just love the shadow that it emits. It's just really cool. I think Hunter came out with this in the mid-90s, and it was sold at Lowe's as the Lansdowne, which had different blade arms on it, and also I think the Monticello had the same blade arms as did the Lansdowne, although the Monticello did not come standard with the light kit. Alright, after a long spin out of time, the fan has come to a complete stop. Thank you for watching. More to come.